Bukurumirira njuragano ihutanitie na ndugu cia wendo ikoretwo ikiguika o hindi na gutumura kirigagia kiria kiraria kingi makiria ihiko-ini kuona riu anini na akuru gutiri matarateta kuongerereka kwa ngero ici. Undu uyu niguo utumite ambunge Atumia ona family iria ihutitio kugomana hamwe na kuga ciaigana ni ciaigana. Igongona-ini ria kuririkana aria moragitwo, family ici ironania kigiriko kinene kiria makoretwo nakio ni tondu wa kurwo ni endwa ao.
Devastated. It's been a journey to Eldoret and back. It was a journey we'd planned to go for her graduation in December, but right now we've been making trips to pursue her justice.
My cousin had her life strangled out of her. We are told by the man that was supposed to be her love, her husband. The pain we bear, the scars, we cannot actually express this in words.
Atumia marahinyiririo kwiyaragia riria mona ta kuri no gwati gatagati kao na endwa ao. Kiria kirathingiririo muno ni aria makuite mone kihoto kiao. Minista Matiangí uria urekinyite igongona-ini riri kiuga unyitaniri uria riho gatagati kao na ruhonge rwa gwika uthuthuria ni uguteithiriria kuhanyukia mashira maria manyititwo.
There is no better place to be than please listen to the voice of the families that were here. We know you heard us and we know you're going to action.
With our new investments in building an ultra-modern forensic lab, we are able to conclude investigations within a short time and bring people to meet with the law in the courts of law.
Na kwa mwena wa Samburu, Atumia ni maremetwo gukiririria ringi kumana na njuragano ici kuona riu ona aria akuru na aria nio marerigiriirwo kuonia andu ethi njira onao ni matahitwo ni rui ruru rwa kuuragana.
Heshimu kina mama wetu. Mungu aliumba mwanaume na mwanamke waheshimiane.
Tusimame pamoja kama wanawake na tuoneshe kama sisi wanawake tunaweza kustopisha hiki kitu. Manake sasa imekithiri.
Coming to say together today that it is something that has to stop. As a country, we have to have a conversation to know what is going on in our families, to know what is going on in our minds, and to say that this will be the last time that a woman loses their life because of gender-based violence.
Undu uyu ni utumite ingi kuhinyiririo gwethaga uteithio riria mari na undu uramagia ngoro na meciria kurigiriria maundu moru maria mangiumana na kugiika meciria muno. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.